It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, the 8th of June. I'm Michael Groff. Temperatures gradually easing to below normal levels this weekend, but by the middle and latter half of next week, high temperatures climbing well above normal, well above the 110-degree mark potentially. So let's talk about it as we look outside this morning. Some high clouds in the valley right now, 79 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 34, humidity 20%. The winds are light, the barometer is steady. Temperatures out there this morning here, looking at upper 60s in parts of the West Valley, 70s to near 80 in the urban core. Some high clouds drifting across the southwest right now, as evident on the satellite. And the watch warning map features some red flag warnings from northwest Arizona through much of Nevada and Utah. Very dry conditions out here. Air quality alert for the Dallas-Fort Worth area as well as Oklahoma City. Otherwise, no real high impact events going on right now. On the convective outlook, a slight risk of severe storms today up around Great Falls and Butte, Montana, with a marginal risk of severe storms from the eastern Rockies to the western plains. And as far as our weather, we'll talk about that right now as we check out the models. Here's the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock Mountain Standard Time today. There's our old friend, the 588 ridge, still holding on here in the southwest, but a deep upper trough now moving onto the Pacific Northwest coast. So for today, partly sunny skies, breezy conditions, locally windy in Southern California, especially this afternoon. High temperatures just a little bit cooler than we've seen the last couple of days, around 103 to 106. Tonight, a few clouds, otherwise mostly clear, lows mainly in the 70s. Could see a few upper 60s in the cool spots. Tomorrow, a couple of degrees worth of cooling with mostly sunny skies, highs 100 to 103. Then on Saturday, upper 90s to about 102. Still some breezy conditions. Every afternoon of the forecast period will certainly see some breezy to locally windy conditions, especially in the favored locations of Southern California and Southern Nevada. The winds really pick up on Sunday as that trough and area of low pressure approaches from the west. Now, most of this energy and most of the dynamics with this they're going to stay well to the north of Arizona. This is June. We're in the heart of the dry season, but windy conditions, Southern California, breezy here in the valley, high temperatures, upper 90s to about 100 on Sunday. Monday should be the coolest day of the forecast period, could be a bit breezy as well. And the latest GFS has us only in the mid-90s on Monday. Here are the numbers. 94 is what the GFS has for us Monday afternoon. I don't think it's going to be quite that cool. Highs probably more likely in the upper 90s to about 100. But still, we will be slightly below normal for this time of year. But don't get too comfortable. As I told you in the open of the video, on Tuesday, high pressure slowly rebuilding back here in the southwest. Highs around 102. 102 to 105 on Wednesday of next week. And then this is a week from today, Thursday, the 15th of June. That's a 591 ridge sitting right there off the Baja coast. Upper heights coming up to near 590 decameters here in Phoenix. So high temperatures back toward the 105 to 108 range. The sky's sunny. Here's Friday, the 16th of June. And again, that looks like high temperatures climbing up to the 107 to 110 range. And here's the end of the forecast period. This is Saturday, the 17th of June. Again, upper heights around 590 decameters, sunny skies, a very dry air mass with dry west to northwesterly flow. High temperatures, I'd say 108 to 111 if this verifies. All right, well, are you ready for this? Let's check the temperatures through the period off the GFS ensemble. There is pretty much universal agreement among the major models of a big warm-up. Now, in the short term, doesn't look too bad. In fact, the ensemble has us in the mid-90s on Monday. And again, I think that's overdone. I don't think we're going to get quite that cool. But then look what happens by the summer solstice. Temperatures 115, 116 as we head out toward the 20th through the 23rd and beyond. And historically speaking, in Phoenix, our most extreme temperatures do occur in that period from about June 20th through July 1st. As you know, our hottest day ever occurred on June 26th of 1990. So historically speaking, there is precedent for that. And that'll do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. Our next video back here tomorrow morning. Thank you so much as always for watching. Sorry to be the bearer of bad news. And have yourselves a great Thursday.